Unihertz has released a 33-second teaser video for the Titan II Elite, following the initial reveal of a single promotional image on the company's official website. This announcement has generated considerable attention within the niche mobile enthusiast community, particularly due to its timing, coming shortly after the announcement of the Clicks Communicator at CES 2026, a device positioned as a direct competitor in the physical keyboard smartphone segment. The newly released teaser provides a brief hands-on demonstration of the Titan II Elite. The video opens with the device being powered on, displaying the Titan II Elite logo, followed by the familiar Android operating system boot screen. The demonstration continues followed by footage showcasing the typing experience on the physical keyboard. In just a few moments, the teaser presents the device's design and keyboard functionality in a concise visual format, keeping things quick, focused, and to the point. The Titan II Elite now enters a competitive landscape within the physical keyboard smartphone category. The device will compete directly with the Clicks Communicator, which was announced at CES 2026. Both devices target the same market segment, though neither has been officially released to consumers at this time. The competition between these two devices is expected to intensify as both companies move toward their respective launch dates. The demonstration units for the Clicks Communicator showcased at CES 2026 were non-functional models, designed solely to provide attendees with a physical, hands-on feel of the device's form factor. They offered shape and layout, but not real-world operation. In contrast, Unihertz has announced plans to display fully functional Titan II Elite units at the Mobile World Congress exhibition scheduled for March 2026. This means attendees will be able to experience the device's complete operational capabilities, not just its exterior design. According to the official statement released on Unihertz's channel, Titan II Elite has been in development for over 6 months and is currently in the internal testing phase. As planned, we will showcase fully functional Titan II Elite at the MWC exhibition, and everyone is welcome to visit us on site for a hands-on experience. The Titan II Elite teaser video provides an early glimpse into the device's design and keyboard functionality. While the footage appears promising, a comprehensive evaluation of the device's capabilities and competitive positioning will ultimately depend on the official launch and hands-on testing of production units. The fully functional demonstration at MWC 2026 will offer the first real opportunity for industry observers and potential customers to assess the device's real-world performance and determine how it compares to competing products in the physical keyboard smartphone category.